Hello everyone, this is Dusty with instructions for your first discussion. What you'll find is at the end of every learning module, students are required to post to a discussion. The discussions provide us the opportunity to explore topical issues in greater detail, and to also create a sense of community that's difficult to achieve in an online environment. This week, I'm asking you to state your preferred name and pronouns, and also to briefly discuss, one memorable cultural experience in your past. Let me provide an example. Hello, I'm Dusty McKenzie. My preferred pronouns are he and him, and I want to share with you my first trip to Samoa. When I was 18 years old, I took a surf trip to Samoa. I was exposed to beautiful traditional Polynesian culture, and I interacted with members of the Fa'afafine community. A Fa'afafine is a third gender in Samoan society, a person that was born biologically male but identifies as female. In Samoa, everyone accepts Fa'afafines as a female gender, which means a relationship between a Fa'afafine and a man isn't considered homosexual or taboo. This experience opened my eyes to diversity within gender and sexuality, and proved to me that the world is much more diverse and is composed of a beautiful tapestry of differences that we need to respect. Anyways, hopefully this video helped you out, and as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.